months, almost 4, I have not been up on my game. Like, I've been in the gym maybe twice, 3 times a week, but my health at home has not been where it's at, and I've been slacking, and it shows, okay? I got on the scale this morning. I'm gonna insert a clip. The scale is gonna be in the 120s, and that fat over there, that 31.5, is gonna be in the 20s, the low 20s. And I gained almost 20 pounds. Like, I weigh around 140 pounds, and that's not it for me, okay? That is not it at all. Summer is around the corner, and we gotta get right, okay? You're watching this video because you know you need to get right too. So girl, we are going to get right together. We are going to be in a calorie deficit together. We are going to be doing challenges together. We are going to get this body right, tight, and snatched for the summer, okay? Now that I think about it, I'm talking like you know me. If you're new to my channel, I share content on lifestyle, wellness, health, beauty, and skincare. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get right into the video. I start every day off with a juice or a smoothie. This week, I'm really focused on my gut health and keeping my bloating down, so I've been having a lot of papaya. Here's a list of benefits of papaya and why it's something you should consider having in your diet. Papayas are high in antioxidants and vitamin A, C, and E. It's great to add into your diet to add to your digestion. In a blender, I add spinach to help reduce my blood sugar and aid in my digestion. Some fruits like grapes, strawberries, and pineapples. This package is 7 calories per serving for 1 cup. I use half of that. I add some papaya and 1 teaspoon of papaya seeds and a little over a cup of fresh pressed papaya and pineapple juice. I also add a tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and to keep that tummy on flat. Chia seeds are going to help burn belly fat and keep things moving. And that's meal number 1, something soft to wake my gut up slowly, and I add half a lime on top for flavor. I was in an avocado toast mood today, so why not make it high protein? I start by boiling 2 whole eggs. You're getting about 143 calories, less than 1 gram of carbs, and about 13 grams of protein with 2 eggs. We're going to air fry 4 slices of bacon. 2 slices of bacon is 70 calories and 5 grams of protein. So with 4, you're getting about 140 calories and 10 grams of protein. So already, girl, we are at 23 grams of protein. I have 2 slices of sourdough bread. I love sourdough bread because it's low glycemic and it's not going to spike my blood sugar levels as much as regular bread does. You'll get about 2 grams of protein per slice. And of course, our avocado. We're making this with half an avocado and jazzing it up with salt and pepper, garlic, and red pepper flakes. Avocado is a good thing to add to your breakfast and your first meal of the day because it's healthy fat. On the toast, I'm adding butter. We're going to use about half a serving of this butter, which puts us at about 50 calories. I also love adding Parmesan cheese to my avocado toast, and we're going to do less than a quarter of a serving. While you're on your weight loss journey, you need a scale. It is going to be so helpful in making sure your macros are correct. I'm pulling out my handy dandy scale to measure out that serving of cheese. If you have not tried grated boiled egg on top of your avocado toast, you need to do it right now. Literally right now. I don't know how, I don't know why. It tastes amazing and the flavor and texture of it is so bomb. I don't know why it tastes so different. We're going to dress it up with some bacon and add more red pepper flakes. On one, I'm going to add Mike's Hot Honey. And on the other, I'm going to add caramelized onions And as always, here are the macros. Every day, I take certain vitamins and supplements to keep everything on the inside working properly. I added Shilajit to my routine, and it has changed the game, y'all. Like this video and let me know if you'd like me to do a separate video on my vitamins and supplements and why I take them. Water. If I don't tell you anything else worth a damn, I'm gonna make sure to tell you to drink your water. It's going to help flush out any toxins that are in your body, keep your skin clear, keep your gut moving. Like, just drink your water. For a midday snack, we go keep it simple and just have light fruit. So here I have some pineapple and grapes. This is healthy sugar. So when I have times that I'm craving sugar, I like to grab some grapes or I like to grab some pineapples just to satisfy that craving. And don't mind my gloves. I'm in the process of taking off my nail polish and redoing them. It's officially lunchtime and I have these low carb tortillas from Cacaracha. I don't know how to say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. These tortillas have no carbs and low sugar. It says 5 grams of carbs, but because it also contains 5 grams of fiber, they cancel each other out. One tortilla is 20 calories, and today we're going to have 3 of them. Here, I actually have some leftovers, but in total, this is about 6 ounces of beef, which also makes this a high protein meal. When you're making this for yourself, use whatever type of protein that you want. Here, I have 2 ounces of steak per taco and 2 ounces of ground beef on one taco. I went ahead and dressed it with lettuce and a little pico that I made myself. I also added this low-carb cilantro ranch dressing that I made last night. Listen, this tastes so good. I'll go ahead and add the ingredients here on screen, and also full details will be below. Minute, I added some jalapenos, and I can't forget my hot sauce in my bag, swag. I love Crystal hot sauce. It's 0 calories, no carbs or sugar. It is kind of high in sodium, so I know at some point in my fitness journey I'm going to have to cut it out, but I'm going to enjoy it for now. And to top it all off, I ended with some gluten-free tortilla chips. I also measured out my serving of about 28 grams. One serving is 140 calories, 20 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of protein. As always, I'll have the macros here. It's dinner time, and I'm making some curry chicken. Fun fact, I'm Jamaican and love making Caribbean meals. So be prepared for some island meals and my what I eat in a day videos. I actually forgot to start filming, so I already sauteed my green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, and onions in butter and curry powder. I already seasoned the shrimp, and I season it with complete seasoning, curry powder, and sazon. I actually don't like this curry powder I'm using today, but the one I always use, I ran out of it. Once everything is cooked down a bit, I add in the shrimp. I hate overcooked shrimp, y'all. If you eat shrimp, it's a super easy protein to add to your meals. It's high in protein and super fast to cook. This shouldn't take but at least 6 to 7 minutes, at tops 10, depending on your heat. Now I'm going to measure out 4 ounces of white rice. Fun fact, if you cook your white rice in coconut oil, when you refrigerate it for the next day, it reduces the amount of calories by 60%. I read that in a nutrition facts book. You can ask Siri, I'm sure she could tell you. I have 4 ounces of rice, and I'm sharing out 5 ounces of shrimp, and about 5 ounces of shrimp is about 34 grams of protein. And there you have it. As always, here are the macros. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and stick around for a body check. I'm going to do one at the end of each month until the summer gets here. See you soon. Bye. All right, so this is what I'm looking like right now. I need to get rid of these arms. This gotta plump up a little bit. And this tummy time, I have this little stuff going on here that needs to like slim down. So I think it's, what was it, 141 or 142, maybe 143. I don't even want to think about the fact that I weigh around 140 pounds. Diamond, I need you to come back. I have not been feeling like myself. I have not been feeling like myself, y'all. And I think it's this extra weight, this extra body, this body that latched onto me needs to go away. And I will start feeling like my best self, because I have not been feeling that way. I have not been feeling like myself lately. I can't believe 3 months, only 3, but 140 something pounds. I forgot. I cannot believe I allowed myself to get that big. But seasonal, but the sun is coming out, spring is coming. I feel a little bit better, and I just need to feel more like myself. So